Every day we make choices with our money, what to save, what to spend, where to put it, but two powerful concepts shape the future of our finances. Finance and investment, they're not the same, but together they can transform your life. Welcome to O+K, the channel where we break down smart, creative ways to grow your income and build real wealth. Let's dive in, ready to take the first step. Every day we make choices with our money, what to save, what to spend, where to put it, but two powerful concepts shape the future of our finances. Finance and investment, they're not the same, but together they can transform your life. What is finance? Finance is the foundation. It's how you manage money, personally, in business, and even at the government level. It's about creating a plan, making informed decisions, and preparing for the future. From budgeting your expenses, to building emergency savings, from tracking income, to paying off debt wisely. In business, finance helps companies grow, make smart investments, and stay afloat during hard times. In government, finance determines how cities run, schools are funded, and services are delivered. What is investment? Now, imagine putting your money to work. That's investment. Whether it's buying a stock, purchasing a rental property, or starting a small business, investment is about growth. We'll talk more about stocks and how to get started, even if you're new. That's coming up next, so don't miss it. What actually investment mean? Investing means taking calculated risks with the hope of future rewards, and it comes in many forms. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, gold, and even digital currencies like Bitcoin. Each carries a unique balance of risk and return. So how are finance and investment different? Let's break it down.
Finance focus. Finance focuses on the management of money and resources. Purpose. Its purpose is to ensure control, structure, and financial stability. Risk level. The risk level is typically low or carefully calculated. Time. Horizon. It involves both short-term and long-term planning. Examples include budgeting, saving, debt repayment, financial planning. Investment. Focus. Investment focuses on the growth of capital and assets. Purpose. Its purpose is profit generation, wealth accumulation, and achieving long-term gains. Risk level. The risk level varies and can be low, medium, or high, depending on the type of investment. Time. Horizon. It is primarily geared toward long-term objectives. Examples include stocks and bonds, real estate, startups, and private equity.
Finance keeps your money safe and working efficiently. Investment gives your money the chance to grow, sometimes unpredictably. Do you need both? The truth is, one can't thrive without the other. Strong finance is the soil, and smart investment is the seed. Without a financial plan, investments may fail when unexpected expenses arise. Without investments, your savings may sit idle, losing value over time to inflation. Together, finance and investment help you live with confidence today and freedom tomorrow. What should you start with? Start with finance. It gives you control over your income, your spending, and your future goals. Then, invest. Let your money grow, bit by bit, wisely and consistently. You don't need a lot to begin, just discipline, education, and time. Finance is your map. Investment is your journey, ready to take the first step. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart money tips and strategies. Hit the bell so you never miss an update from Make Money.